Good morning, I guess, still. It's 11:06. I actually meant to start this vlog about a couple hours ago, but instead I kind of got caught up in a Gamers Nexus video I was listening to on my way somewhere. I'm just leaving the dealership because I just had the oil changed to my truck. And got a question for you guys, because you know, none of us like being ripped off. The last time I came here, so I doubled down on making sure that the price was going to be what they told me it was going to be. Because the last time I came here, they told me, oh yeah, it's going to be $55. And then well, it was $55 plus shop charges, which is usually around $60 total. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's not a problem. And then he goes to this exit is blocked by one of the new car trucks. Shoot. Yeah, okay, I can get through here. But yeah, so I get up there and he tells me, oh, it's 68, blah, 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 because it would really be like, 54 something. So I said to him, I said, hey, if you don't mind me asking, where'd that extra $5 come from? And he looked like panicked and goes, oh, let me fix that. The price for the trucks went up by $5. I'm like, yeah, because the board said it was $54.99, because it says, trucks up to 8 quarts, $54.99, tire rotate, oil change and a tire rotation. So he goes and fixes the, fixes it, and I even contemplated, not coming here again, and then they, well, I went ahead and called it, and when I called in, I called it and verified that the price would be this, what the price would be, because the new price is in fact $59.99. Okay, no problem. That's what the price is. But my first thought after that was, how many people did he successfully rip off that day? If the price of the trucks went up, whatever, tell me that from the beginning. Don't tell me, oh, it's going to be, this and then it's that. That's when I get upset. And actually, the lady gave me the old price today, because I'm like, look, I'm not being a dick. I just want the price to be what the price is going to be. Just let me know what the price is going to be and I'll pay it. That's not a problem, And yeah, so that was my thing there. But yeah, so I mean, I've never, seems like we, like the dealership here is pretty good. They get rid of problem people very quickly, because to be honest with you, the lady that sold me this truck lied about just about everything. Like, I'm not even sure if her name was really Vanessa. But yeah, so it was just a question I got. I've got a few things I'm going to get doing today. I'm going to try to film a couple of them. I'm actually going back up to the camper tonight. I actually started filming a video yesterday, and I ran into some issues, and I did some research last night, and I think I know how I have to fix it. So that's going to be okay. And yeah, so expect, right now the truck's in at 29,231 miles, so expect a 30,000 mile review soon. I have got to do some detailing in here before I do that. I just have a lot of like car parts in here. I don't really have like trash, except for that cardboard box, but that's more recycling. I keep forgetting to throw that out at work, throwing it in the end thing. But I have some tools in here that I want to review. This one, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do a review on or not, but you'll see me use it in this video. I might mention whether or not I like it. But yeah, I don't really have a whole heck of a lot going on. Like I said, I need to stop at my house and grab an extension cord. But, and then I guess I'll pick this up at the camper, and then I'll decide where I'm going to end things off. I have a job interview. I'll probably end this after that, because I'm going to be up there for a couple hours, because I need to because like I said, the job interview is in Swedesboro, and it's, you know, right by the camper. It's probably like 10 minutes away. So I'm going to go ahead and just stay up there. I might get some lunch, and then yeah, we'll see what goes on from there. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm picking the vlog back up in here. I'm at the camper. Matt and Roy ended up having a live stream, so I kind of picked it up while I was in like the last mile of me driving here, so I listened to it and I participated in it. I just have a couple repairs I need to do, and it turns out I guess I only brought one of them with me. I thought I brought the whole box, but I guess not. So we're only going to do one light here, so I'm going to move the camera to where it's going to be most convenient to do this, and I'm going to try to teach you a few things. So I may have mentioned this in previous videos where I'm working on camper electrical. You have two wires for your 12 volt, and your normal mentality would say that the black would be ground. However, for some reason in the RV world, black is actually positive. So you have to actually be very careful, which I need to cut that down. So here's the white one, which is the ground. And it is windy today. It is like 30 some degrees. I think it's 33 degrees last time I looked at the weather. These are not my favorite connectors. However, they are the ones that I have. So they will have to work. I usually like to, if it was up to me, I'd do heat shrink and solder. However, I don't have that available to me at the moment. So it looks like this actually had a large, I never noticed this before, but it looks like this one actually had a large style light here, which is actually what I'm going to be putting there anyway. So, like I said, your normal mentality when you're dealing with this would be, but you can see where these can be a pain, right? Please tell me you do. Alright. And now, because I have the generator running, look at that. We have light. I have got to get my arms a minute. You know, when you're working like that, with your arms up in the air like that, you end up having all your blood flow. So this will actually help a little bit with the videos. What I did is I bought a whole bunch of these lights from Facebook Marketplace. The seller had boxes of these, and I don't know why that acted like it didn't want to switch over. So I am not concerned in the slightest about how straight or not straight these are, and you know, as somebody who's filming videos for people and labeling them as how-tos, I am not being a very good how-toer, am I? I'm just using regular wood screws. I have a whole bunch of these. Like the witness holes show that, oh, poop, that these may have had It may have had very large lights here at one point. I need to turn the torque way down on this. Tell you what, man, I just filled up the generator with gas, and I'm running 2 heaters with it right now. I don't think that whole tank of gas is gonna... Now there's 2 other... Oh, these are not 921s. It's a good thing I didn't order any. I thought these were 921 bulbs. They are not. But yeah, I'm running 2 heaters off my generator right now. I'm using both sides of both sides of the circuit, or both circuits on it. Yeah, so that I'd call that a success. I actually have a job interview in 3 hours, so I'm gonna start filming the other video that I have to film. See how far I can get on that, and then at some point we'll jump back in with this vlog. But I have another video I need to address. Yeah, but I wish I could do more. Like, part of me wishes I could just like straight up gut the kitchen out of this camper, because it really makes having a tripod in here very difficult. But I hope you enjoyed this little segment of the vlog. I'll see what I have to do to streamline it a little bit. So I'll talk to you later. Alright, so I'm kind of done filming a vlog for the day. Well, actually maybe not, well, not a vlog for the day, but my other video for the day. And I may do some other stuff here at the camper, but I gotta go get some food. One of the last time I was up here, this looked like it was a pop-up camper that had like a tarp around it, and now it's a pile of rubble. So I don't know what happened. I don't know about you, but I like boats, and this boat intrigues me. I like the J-Feather. That's a nice little camper. That would actually be perfect to tow with this truck. But I'm not a huge fan of like purple and gold, but man, that thing looks nice. I would love to drive that boat. But I need to go get some food. It's 1:07 p.m. and I have a job interview at 3 o'clock. So I need to get some lunch and then get down there. I'm actually going to go over to my mother's house probably first, and then deal with something. But I'll talk to you later. Another quick fact, I'm also a fan of old Toyotas. And I didn't notice this here. I think this might be new. I'm going to go around to the back side. I'm pretty sure that's a Camry. And because it doesn't look like a Cressida. It is in fact a Camry, and I don't really want to show the tag on. I'd say that's probably like 89 or 90. So that's pretty flippin' cool. There's also some other stuff around here you might like. But yeah, so I'm all the way back here. There's people that have like cars and work trailers here. There's actually my work trailer over there. I gotta come back later and get that. But yeah, so the funny thing is I actually have and then there's my pop-up, which may be being turned into a flatbed trailer soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop doing this and concentrate on driving. I'll talk to you all in a bit. I hope I can remember to put these clips in order, because this one was actually shot after the ending. But I mean, I did see a lot of really cool stuff at Camping World, because that's actually where the job was. And you know, the job ended up being what you were going to end up doing was you know, moving cars around. And you know, I'm leaving the job interview now, and I don't feel like that would have been a good move for me. Is this a no turn on red? I don't know if this is a no turn on red. And but yeah, I did actually see a few cool things. I took a few pictures of stuff that I actually need for my camper. and saw a few things. I might actually try to get Rebecca for something. And actually, I'm going to turn back around and go back up there, because actually I do want to get her that. I'll get her that as a late. Maybe I'll get it tomorrow. I don't know. But I just want to go home. It's been a long day. It's 3:24 now, and you know, I've had a good day. I can't really complain about anything. I had Wendy's for lunch, which is the first time I've had fast food in a few weeks. But I hadn't eaten until about 2 o'clock. So that was a necessity. And there was a Wendy's right down the street from the job interview. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I definitely want to get this business off the ground, but I need income while I get the business started. So yeah, that's why I'm trying to find a better job that has better things. And anyway, so I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so I'm leaving the job interview now, and this job is actually a $3 an hour loss. And it sounds like it's a high pressure job where there's a high likelihood of screw ups and the stuff like that. And I don't think I'm interested, because he even said, he goes, you know, the porters are the ones that take the brunt of everything when everything goes wrong. So that just does not sound like something I want to be part of. So I think I'm pretty good where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that alone. And I am sorry about the atrocious lighting, but you know, there's a sun around here and I can't really control where it's pointed. And I think I'm gonna go back to the camper for a little bit and see if I can't put a game or two on the floppy disk, and maybe I'm just going to go home. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go ahead and end this vlog here, because I am tired, I'm annoyed, and stuff like that. So, but I did actually did manage to get a lot accomplished today, and you know, feel pretty good about today. So I thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.